Folks, we have a big video for today. We have a big name stock that's been in the news a lot lately and has been garnering a lot of attention, and that is SMCI, or Super Microcomputer Inc. SMCI is a US-based server and infrastructure hardware company that builds high-performance GPU-accelerated systems aimed at AI, cloud, enterprise storage, edge/5G environments. What's interesting here is that Supermicro has positioned itself to ride the wave of AI infrastructure demand with products tailored towards major GPU vendors, notably NVIDIA, and data center customers. So some recent material news items have gone down, which will definitely have implications on the stock. On the chart, we can see that there definitely was an inverse head and shoulders pattern that did lead to a downturn towards that roughly $39 support, and it's going lower even now. There were earnings that didn't look good, but there's reason to believe that was an overreaction. And remember, folks, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. So always do your own due diligence, do your own research, make your own decisions on this. I'm just simply giving you the info. Don't do the frisky unless you are willing to take the risky. SMCI is looking like a great deal after an overreaction breakdown on earnings. And here we can see case A and B, and we're starting to see it go down to that $34 price range, even a little lower than that. And in case A, it could come back right now as people start to see earlier that it's an overreaction. But likely we're going to see case B, where that's going to take until Q1 of 2026. And the reason we're looking at a case B trajectory is because of that roughly $32, $33, $34 range that it's been. We're expecting that it's probably going to go a little higher than that due to a bunch of factors. So we have three reasons why SMCI may bottom out soon and could push higher through Q1 of 2026. Number one, the sell-off was a major overreaction. So SMCI dropped right after earnings because Wall Street focused on short-term revenue timing, not the full story. Management actually reaffirmed that strong full-year guidance and said major customer builds, especially AI server projects, were just pushed into next quarter, which is Q1 of 2026. Number two, the demand for AI servers is skyrocketing right now. SMCI builds the rack servers and liquid cooling systems that power NVIDIA, AMD, and big AI data centers. As companies race to expand AI infrastructure, SMCI's order book keeps growing. They have a bunch of delayed builds from last quarter and are expected to ramp up through late 2025 and early 2026, and this is exactly when the stock could rebound. And number three, the setup is attractive right now. The stock is trading much cheaper than before earnings, even though the company's growth outlook barely changed. So if SMCI hits or beats guidance, margins and earnings could surge again as new AI systems ship out in early 2026. The bulls really do have it going towards that $50 to $55 range, so we will see what happens. Supermicro sits at the intersection of one of the most exciting macro trends, AI infrastructure build-out, and one of the riskiest execution narratives, turning backlog, margin, and cash flow into sustainable growth. So if the company fires on all cylinders, that's bookings, revenue, and margin, the stock could be easily a high-growth hardware success story with meaningful upside. Conversely, though, if margin pressure persists and macro AI spend decelerates, the risk reward tilts much less favorably at current valuations. So given the new guidance and around $36 billion in revenue and product momentum, I would view the stock as a high beta growth play. And remember, folks, once again, this is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own due diligence. Don't take my word for it. Do your own risk. But here on the channel, we're just going to give you some information so you can make your own decision. Anyways, folks, that's all for now. Don't forget to like for the algorithm and subscribe for more content. Hit that beautiful like button, and we'll see you in the next video.